Wash some garden eggs, some turkey berries, pepper, and onions. Cook in a saucepan. Allow to cook till tender. Add some white pepper and salt to taste and marinate for over 10 minutes. This will give you a sweet scented fish and a very flavorful one. Warm up some oil and add in some chopped tomatoes. Then the fish and allow to cook on low heat, partly covered to simmer well. In an earthenware, grind up all the cooked vegetables to get a smooth consistency. Add some salt to taste and transfer into the stew. Stir in well and be sure to turn over to the other side of the fish to ensure even cooking. Cover on a low heat and allow the steam to cook the fish and the stew very well. You can pair this meal with plantain, yam, cocoyam, rice, or any other carbohydrate. For today, we are going to use the plantain. Cut up into your desired shape or size. Add some salt to taste and pour in the plantain and allow to cook well. See how the color of the stew has changed and the fish is also pinkish. This should tell you that it's well cooked. At this point, you can serve with any accompaniment of your choice. Guys, if you have never tried this stew before, then you are missing. It tastes so good, you'd want to eat it every day. At this point, our food is ready, and all we want to do is to serve it. Our finger licking food is ready. Join us. Oh, and if you like healthy meals like this, click on the place that is written subscribe or click on the bell so that every time we have healthy meals like this, it'll pop up. Thank you.